Okay, I'm just going to come out and say it. February is the worst month of the year. It's dark, it's cold, and it's gray. Every day is a bad hair day. And I think I've watched everything on Netflix. Can you say cabin fever? Do not despair, because in this video, I'll share 5 home tips for Michigan homeowners to help you have a more enjoyable February and to get you on track for spring and summer ahead. Tip number 1, book your contractors for spring and summer projects now. February is a great month to get your spring and summer home repair and upgrade projects booked with contractors before their schedules fill up. Some of the top contractors in town already are booking into 2023, and many others, their schedules are filling up fast. So don't delay. If you have some big projects coming up this spring and summer, get your contractors booked now before their schedules fill up. And remember, project timelines are running longer these days because of supply and labor shortages. So make sure to build some flexibility into your planning. If you're looking for a great contractor to help you with your project, we maintain a fully vetted list of contractors that our clients have used and have been elated with. So if you're looking for a contractor to help with a project, feel free to reach out to us. Tip number 2, review your home vacation safety plan. If you have plans to go someplace warm this February, you're going to want to take some time up front and make sure you have everything in place to monitor your property while you're away. First thing is you want to make sure you have somebody that can actually visit your home if you need to in case of an emergency. Ideally a friend, neighbor, or family member. Turn off the mail at the post office so it doesn't pile up, letting people know you're not home. Make sure you have a contractor in place to shovel your snow and your sidewalks. Last thing you want to do is advertise that you're away for a week. And then, of course, in Ann Arbor, you'll get a ticket from the city if your sidewalks are not shoveled. And this goes without saying, plan for your pets that are staying home without you, and also your houseplants. Make sure that somebody is able to watch over them, or if needed, book a pet hotel and do it in advance so you don't miss out. Also consider smart tech for your home, such as smart doorbells, cameras, door locks, and water shutoff valves. I really like the idea of a water shutoff valve because what I fear the most when I'm away in the middle of the winter is that for whatever reason the furnace will stop running, the pipes will freeze up, and then the pipes burst and then the water just fills up your basement like a swimming pool. Oh my, that's not cool. Tip number 3, paint a room in your home. What room in your home could most use a freshen up? Take a look around and pick one, and then for inspiration, go over to the Benjamin Moore website or the Sherwin-Williams website. They have great tools for visualizing paint colors, very inspiring. And get a room painted now so you can enjoy it while you're spending so much time inside. It'd be one thing off your list for when you go in the spring and you're wanting to be outdoors, working on your landscaping and exterior and enjoying the spring weather. Tip number 4 is to organize your laundry room. Now, the laundry room in your house is probably the most underappreciated room there is. Does a lot of work for you. It keeps your clothes fresh and clean. And usually these days, it gets stuffed into a corner, into a closet. If you're fortunate enough to have some space, take some time and refigure how you can use the cabinets and make sure you have all the functional needs of the room covered. And I recommend going to Houzz, Houzz, and of course Pinterest for some really awesome home organization information about laundry rooms. Tip number 5 is to take the time now to understand your energy needs for today and in the future. So how much energy are you going to use when you get an electric car? Or let's say there's initiatives for going electric and we get away from fossil fuels, which of course sounds like it's going to happen. 2 places you can look. Number 1, DTE has a ton of information. If you want to get an energy audit, it's a great place to start. An energy audit will help you understand how much energy you're using and where you could reduce the amount of energy usage. Also, there's private contractors that do energy audits. The other thing you can check out is Solar in Ann Arbor. This is a great webpage loaded with links, and we're linked to it below in the description. Take a look at it. If you have an interest in solar electricity, check them out. There's tons going on right now with initiatives and rebates, and maybe this is the year or next year when you want to do solar. All right, there's 5 tips, but I'm going to add a bonus tip. So the thing that's really most important about February is just being resilient and realizing that the weather is bad and it is cold out there and the days are shorter. So the more that we can just be real about that and be nice to ourselves and to other people will go a long ways to making your February a lot more pleasurable. Okay, thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, take a second and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when new videos are released on YouTube. And if you have any questions, reach out to me on piperpartners.com. Thank you.